Hello and welcome to my top 5 jobs you should do in the spring before the garden starts to grow. Right, okay, now you have a very short period between the ground being too cold and everything too cold to actually do any work before everything starts to grow, and in that short time is very, very important. You know, you've got to make sure that you are out and available, you've got your job sorted out as to what to do. So the first thing that you want to do is do all your repairs, do your refurbishment, do your cleaning, clean your greenhouse, repair your panels, paint, swap over, as we've done recently, swap over all the fence panels. Very short period of time, probably got a couple of weeks. We're already fighting against trying to dig into the ground because it's too freezing to when all the bulbs start facing up. So first job of the spring, do all these big jobs, because once all your plants start growing through, you're not going to have access to do this job. So that's critical. I would say that is my top job to do in the spring before the plants start to grow. Right, top tip 2 before job to do before the spring happens. Now look at this finger, right, follow this finger, follow. What the heck is that?
A weed?
It is a weed. Right, you want to make sure that all these weeds, as best as you can, are all gone as soon as you can, because as soon as they start to put seed, birds, before, as soon as the warmth picks up, all these weeds are going to be throwing seeds everywhere. So you're just going to make more work for yourself. So do it now before they take hold. Take these out. Has it got flower on it? Brilliant. Timing is correct. This is an important job. Get off your butt.
Start weeding.
Start weeding. Right, now job 3, and this is an important one. It's dealing with the slug population before it explodes. So look at this, already starting to get slug damage on this already. Right, so however you want to do your slug management, I'll probably do a video about that sometime later. Let's be honest, the pellets don't work really well, but you can get a nematode solution that you can apply to the borders. That's a very good one. You might need a couple of applications, but you want to start putting your slug management in place now. We're nearly beginning of February, they're already starting to be active. Otherwise, you're going to have an explosion of slugs and it's going to be a nightmare, and your plants will be ruined or eaten or gone or dead. So this is important this time of year. Slug maintenance, number 3. Number 4 of jobs that you should be looking at doing before the spring, and that is early planting. The soil is just about to warm up, so if you get plants in now, you're going to take full advantage of the whole of the season's growing period. So this is new, this will be going in, that's going in, this little hosta's already gone in, that's gone in. So it is early, the ground softened up as how to dig them in. So these are going to romp away rather than leaving it until this nice weather, say in April, May. So get them in early and get them growing quickly, and then you'll get the best effect from it as the season goes on. Okay, number 5. This is probably your last opportunity while the plants are still effectively dormant to move some of your plants around. Now we all try and work out where plants should go, and by the end of the day you're thinking, that didn't work, I should have not done that. So now you've got the best opportunity now before things start to move, because they don't like being moved around, lifted up when they're growing. Still dormant, you can pick and choose, move them around now. We've been moving probably quite a few, probably more than I was expecting to, even though we really thought we got it switched on last year. But no, move your plants around, do it now. It'll be much better for you than doing it later. And you know what, I'm going to give you a 5A. That's my top 5. The 5A is start your seeds, get your seeds growing, get your heated propagator out, sort out your greenhouse, get your greenhouse cleaned. You just got so much work on, fellas. You've got to get, and ladies, probably more ladies doing this work than you guys, so you need to start pulling your weight, fellas. Cleaning, seedlings, moving around. There is a lot to do, and you have not got much time to do it, and the sooner you get it done, the less work you're going to have later on in the year. There you go, that's my top 5 jobs for the spring to get your garden racing ahead before anybody else is. Thank you for watching. Got any great comments or tips? Add those in the comments section. Thank you for watching.